Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. I finished another journal, and this one is medical or nurse themed. I had a bunch of different little nursing or medical related charms, and I thought they would look cute in a journal. And I also have some images that I had purchased in a nurse theme as well. So I assembled this little one signature journal, but it's got quite a few pages in it. The inside includes 76 pages plus an envelope in the middle. So on the outside I attached it with some trim, and this is upholstery trim. So I made a little bow, and this is one of the images that I had, How to Become a Trained Nurse, Jane Hodson. I stitched around the edges and I added some more trim on the cover, and this is reinforced with white duct tape so it won't tear at the seams. And then on the back I have again some trim stitched around and a little spot for a date or a title. And also this corner lifts off and you can use it as a bookmark. So you can mark your place inside the journal, or if you like, you can use it in a book. Like that. I think it looks quite cute. And it has a little heart and a nurse's cap on it. So let's have a look inside. It's beautiful paper, and I included a doily at the front that can work as a pocket, and there's a little postcard in here. And then this is Florence Nightingale themed page, and then you can tuck something behind here. I'm going to include this in my Etsy shop, so I'm just going to do a quick page by page. Tea stain papers and a variety of other papers. This sheet was ripped at the top, and I thought, well, if it's used as a junk journal, this would still work. And what I did is I just inked around the edges, and it makes it look old, which I kind of like that effect. I should mention on the side I've got some little charms dangling, and these are attached to little tags that slide in a pocket. So here's a medical symbol, a little blue glass bead, and then another tuck spot here, and here I have a little vial with a syringe. And another page, How to Become a Trained Nurse. Another tuck spot with a tag. And an old picture of an old a hospital setting. And then there's just a little envelope. You can tuck something in here. And I stitched some fabric flowered petals to the edge of the pages, and I did the same treatment here. Wherever your page is ripped, you can just ink around the edges, and it just gives it a nice old look. And I've got some more pages to write in here, and then here's another one of these little envelopes, another tag, another postcard. I didn't do any stamping in here, so whoever gets this can do their own stamping and embellishing. Different type of paper. Tag, and here's a little microscope. And here's an envelope where you can tuck some items in. Very pretty Another little tag, tuck spot. And this was an index card that I tea stained, folded in two. I inked around the edges and attached a photo, and that just slides in the pocket. And a syringe. And my battery died, so I'll continue on from here. Here's a tag with little stethoscopes on the charm. And another tag here. There's a pretty paper. And an ambulance. Another one of these little petal flowers I attached. And here's a tuck spot with a larger envelope. And I put a little piece of two-sided tape there. You can always peel that back if you wanted to seal it. And another postcard. Here's another little nurse's cap. These charms are adorable. And I got some in the sewing theme also, so that's why I'm doing a couple of sewing journals next. And there's the back of the doily, and this is just left blank. You can still journal on the back up there. So I'll include a link to this in my Etsy shop if anybody is interested in purchasing it. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.